Hi class, we're going to finish up with chapter 12.1 and coefficient of determination. So let me go ahead and go up into the PowerPoint. Okay, so the coefficient of determination is a measure of the proportion of the variation in the response variable y that can be associated with the variation in the explanation variable x. Okay, so we're like, well, what does that mean? Well, remember we looked at r? Well, all this is r squared. So this is really easy to get when you have r. So let's talk about this. If the correlation coefficient for the relationship between the number of rooms in a house and their price, where r equals 0.65, how much of the variation in house prices can be associated with the variation in number of rooms in the houses? So think about this. When you're buying a house and you're looking at a house that maybe had 10 rooms compared to a house that had 15 rooms, you're going to expect the house with 15 rooms to be more expensive than the house with 10. So if you have an R which is 0.65, what you're going to do then is go ahead and square it, and then you get 0.4225. So what you can say from then is 42.3% of the variation in house prices can be associated with the variation in number of rooms in the houses. It's that easy. And the great thing is, in your calculator, R, let me go put it in. Let me go find the right little symbol. If I can find it, I might be able to. Oh, come on. Where's the R squared? Okay, we'll do this. I'm going to cheat and do. We'll just write it in English. Oops. Sorry about that. I didn't know I was going to open equation editor. So we're going to say R squared is above R in the readout, in the listing. Okay? So you do not need to figure it out because it is given. So that's kind of great, isn't it? So all you have to do is read it from the calculator and know what it means. So remember, what this is saying is that 42% of the variation in house prices, which was the X, can be associated with the variation of the number of rooms in the house, which is Y. So again, all you're doing is looking at X and Y and their relationship. Okay. I hope this helped. We're done with 12.1 and we'll move on to 12.2. Thanks so much. Bye.